Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Reese's cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your bowl place your butter and your sugars and mix them all together until they are light and fluffy in colour and consistency. Then you can go ahead and add in your egg and your vanilla and mix until they are fully incorporated into the mixture. You will notice a change in the consistency, and this is completely normal, so don't worry if it does change and become different. This is what you're looking for. It shouldn't be too split, if split at all. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, followed by the fillings, which I'm using some chocolate chips, some Reese's Pieces, mini cups, and the other ones, I don't know what they're called, but then just fold those in by hand using a spatula until everything is incorporated and you have no traces of a single ingredient. And this is what you're looking for. Take your lined baking tray, take scoops of the cookie dough, I'm using a large ice cream scoop, and just flatten it out slightly, and in the dent in the middle place some peanut butter and fold it up and close that inside, and this is going to be like a hidden filling. Round it off into a ball shape and then place onto your baking tray. You can then go ahead and repeat the process for the remainder of your cookie dough, ensuring that you fill each cookie with a generous amount of the peanut butter. As always, I will leave a link to the recipe down below in the description, so don't forget to check that out if you're interested in making these. Straight from the oven, you'll want to finish these cookies off, so that start adding your fillings or toppings on top as you want to. I went ahead and added these mini Reese's peanut butter cups first, then added some of these mini Reese's Pieces that just go randomly on top just to add a bit more colour and more of the chocolate and peanut butter flavour, because why not. Then I also used some of the more bite-sized peanut butter cups, these super mini ones, and just placed a few of those on and repeated the process with the rest of the cookies, and here are what they look like once they were fully done. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.